guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, you know, it does suck, right? I tried and it was working fine for 2 weeks as far as the FRM footwell module that I have in my car. Only to come to find out, I get back in my car that I needed to drive the next day. Now, this is 2 weeks of getting in my car, driving it, unlocking it, locking it, turn signals, doing everything, and it never showed any kind of issues whatsoever. So when I got into it, guess what? All the same issues that came back again. The bright lights, all that kind of stuff. So that truly does suck. So I reached out to my buddy, My Bimmer Brain. You know, he worked with me quite a bit as far as the injector calibration that I did, any kind of diagnostic work. So amazing guy as far as his BMW knowledge in general, as far as being that master tech, all the coding, programming, retrofits, anything else that you need, he's the guy for you. To be sure that it is truly my FRM footwell module that's at fault, he remoted in using ISTA Plus. So ISTA Plus can dissect anything in your BMW system. It truly is amazing what it does. Right now, my Bavarian Technic scan tool did show FRM faults. However, I can't do half the stuff that he can do and not what he was doing. So he went through the entire module system trying to find that, okay, hey, an FRM is showing a fault. Let's dissect that even further. Let's go through the questionnaire. Is it doing this? Is it doing that? Let's try to do a reset, right, as far as software goes. So using NCS Expert and doing all these other different mini tools. So the point of this video definitely is FRM Footwell Module 3 is ordered, coming my way. So that means the DIY on that. I'll show you how to take it out. It's right down here by, of course, your footwell module down here on the driver's side. We'll take that out, install the new one. My Bimmer Brain is going to do the remote programming, so that way if you guys need any remote programming services, definitely going to be the guy to do that remotely and does all this stuff. You will need a Windows laptop, KD CAN cable, and of course a strong Wi-Fi connection, just because of the, you know, someone remoting in through TeamViewer and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that DIY. It's going to be great. I'll show you the ins and outs of that. Outside of that, just like what I said before, valve cover replacement DIY coming as well, so stay tuned for that. And guys, as always, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate the support. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Have a great day.